Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in some aspects of Microsoft Windows 10. Keep watching to find out more. Now, first of all, big thanks go out to BrightEcho9 for actually giving me the inspiration for this video. He's just released a video, which I'll link to in the description below, of how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Office, and particularly in Microsoft Outlook. So I thought there may be some people out there who want to enable dark mode in other aspects of Windows 10. So I'm going to show you how to customize it so that you have a dark mode in general, so things like Windows Explorer, all that kind of thing, are in a dark mode, but also how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Edge. Yes, that's for those of you that still use it. So let's get straight into it and I'll show you how it's done. So the first thing, this is a completely fresh install of Windows 10, which I'm doing. So let's get into this. So click on the start bar, then go to the settings cog. And in the settings cog, you want the personalization section. Now, if you haven't activated your Windows installation, you won't be able to do a great deal here. So make sure you're genuine, make sure it's legit. So what we want to do is go down to the color section and scroll right to the bottom, and you've got an option for choose your default app mode. So at the moment it's set to light, which is the default. So let's change it to dark. So immediately you can see that's a lot less strenuous on the old eyeballs. So that's all good. So now if we go into, say for instance, Windows Explorer or File Explorer, and you've got this nice dark theme, so it's not going to burn your retinas out with that bright white. Now this doesn't affect all apps within Windows, just a certain few, so you do have to go in and tweak some of the other ones so it's not quite so jarring. So speaking of which, let's go into Microsoft Edge and we can do the same thing here. So if you click on the three buttons at the top, or what used to be the hamburger menu, and then go down to settings, and then you get general and customize, and you get to choose a theme. Now currently, again, the default setting for Microsoft Edge is the light theme. So if we go down and choose dark, and there we go. Again, a lot less jarring. The main Internet Explorer window will still be white. This is one thing that in a browser is still a very difficult thing to do, to get the browser to actually look right whilst also sort of dulling the colors. No one's managed to do it properly yet. There's a few apps you can get, or add-ons that go with Google Chrome, which generally work, but they're not great. So hopefully that's going to be something that they're going to work on in the future and we'll get. And when they do, I'll do an updated video. Now, obviously, all of these settings you can do. You can revert them if you wish. If you don't like it, you can just undo the changes. And it does work in most apps. Say, for instance, here's the Microsoft Mail app. And you can see this box is now dark, whereas normally it would have been light. So hopefully this has been useful to you. If it has, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to write things in the comments if you've got any questions you'd like to ask, or any other ways of darkening Windows that you'd like to mention. So, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. This has been how to slightly darken Windows 10, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.